You're listening, Nash BOAT, because I have waited a long time to say this. You are no longer champions, and therefore you are no longer any use to me or True Grit Wrestling.
What does he mean?
As of now, your contracts of employment are terminated.
Oh!
For the less educated of you in the crowd, Nash BOAT, that means you are fired.
Oh my God, what a bombshell!
What?
Get out of the ring. You don't work here anymore.
Finally!
Hang on. No, James. I have an idea. Yes. I have the inspiration. Mustache. Things to do. Go to this. Open here. Go to that.
To me or True Grit Wrestling.
You keep talking, you terrible human. We're going to do some lines here. Some lines here. And some lines here. Bit of colour. Yes. The blue. I like the blue. Yes. Ace. I think I've got us onto a bit of a winner here. Nothing stops the boat. Nash BOAT. Professional wrestling will be born.